Episode 51 of the MK7 Golf R. Today we're going to be wrapping up the last few minor adjustments on Rob's one-off custom balance shaft Elite. Should be good, right?
Well, now we get a telescoping gauge and check the bore diameter. And I guess worst comes to worst, we have to turn this diameter right here. It's what the tool post grinder's for. If we need to, we'll take a thousandth or two off of this. But
Off the outside?
Yeah. But first we're going to check this ID, because as we found out last week, we had about 1.5 thousandths extra interference fit, more than what we needed. Hold it down here in between there so I can... Right there. Is that okay? And according to that, that moved. Okay. Okay.
You needed 4 thousandths, right?
Well, it's now it's tapered now. So what I'm gonna do is, I think rather than mess with that, or maybe I will mess with that just a little bit more, but I think what I'm going to do is take the first, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch of this and undercut it so that it starts to slide together. That way when we have this in the liquid nitrogen chilling and it shrinks, it should fit a little better. How a telescoping gauge works is there's a rod that comes up through the center and provides friction on these two plungers. Mm-hmm. So like the plungers can move in, mm-hmm. You know, squeeze them in like that. Anyway, you put a little tension on it, and then you put it in here, lift up, and now you have the size that it is inside. And then you take a pair of mics and you mic what this thing reads. 683. Okay. Well. Okay. I'm gonna say we're ready. Okay. I'm gonna go get all those parts over there, Steve.
Yeah.
Okay. We want to go get the liquid nitrogen. Okay. You want me to hold the camera while you dump it in?
No.
You want me to dump it in?
Oh, that, yeah.
Okay, while we're doing that, we need to get that set up. That socket, please. I'm gonna throw this over that. You've got it. Go. Come on, go. Go.
Good.
A little bit more. Okay. Done. Back it off. Look at the bottom of the shaft, the cold coming off of it.
That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.